So let's start it off. Usually, throughout the whole day, we eat naman 3 times a day, right? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Sure.
So I decided to present my life in 3 different ways as well, and in 3 different types of food. Again, breakfast, lunch. So for the breakfast part, which is my family's traditional, um, which represents my childhood, or which is full of breakfast food, which is nga my traditional breakfast spaghetti, which is a rice with egg and hot dog and spam, all chopped up into little pieces, which is then drenched by banana ketchup. So dito, I wanted to present my childhood with like childish things like dinosaurs and baby octopuses. And might as well add one of my favorite things that I used to do as a child, which is pongs, which is this one. I couldn't really do it in a traditional way, pero yun nga. So I decided to do it with food as well. So the next one naman is lunch. What do you guys think of lunch? For me naman kasi, what represents lunch for me is this represents when I went to Manila na. So when I transferred to Manila. This is basically us showing that there's the 2 cats, represents the 2 cats that we had when we went to Manila. And the stars and the flowers and even the rabbit actually represents when I started gaining interest in the sciences, which led me to actually joining biology. The food is represented by egg as well as sisig, which is actually a representation of my life when I was in high school, of how I was actually kind of the traditional na parang I was a conformity where I would conform to the popular traditions ng mga ginagawa ng batch, ganon, and other methods. Pero, lastly naman, is for dinner naman. So for dinner, I actually brought you guys food as well. For this is a traditional dinner, or traditional food made in Nueva Ecija, which is tinumis. Baka mandiri yung iba sa inyo since it's actually made with pig blood and pork. Pero it's like similar to dinuguan, pero it's on the sour side of the taste buds naman. So it's not usually eaten with banana, pero me and my family kasi we always eat our food with fruits, with different types of fruit, and we decided to always eat tinumis with bananas. Now now you might be asking yourself, ano na to, anong station ng buhay ito? This is actually me in my college life. Now, me in my college life, when I moved to Ateneo from the school. School, sorry. School, eh? Basta school. I always found myself to actually be to actually be reflecting back to me at my provincial, at my province. I actually always miss my province. I always look back at my province, ganon, kung saan yung pinanggalingan ko. So this one is actually what brings me back to my province. Since it's actually a traditional food in my province. And since nung lumipat ako dito, since actually nung high school pa lang, I don't really usually get to eat it na since yun nga, there's not really sold here. And mahirap rin, not much people know how to cook it, except nung tinuro sa akin ng tatay ko when I was a child. So this is representation of me actually going back to represent my where I came from. Now, if you guys want food, I want food.
So, thank you sa pag-present mo. May ako mag-comment after natin kay
Ako, patingin muna, Andre.
Uy, gusto mo diretso na kay Yeshua para sa patingin mo.
Wow! Alam mo, gusto ko tong tikman. Ngayon ko pa lang ito narinig. Ito, buong batch. Kumuha ka.